Suprabhat, Namaskar. On behalf of Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society and Guncha Estate Private Limited, part of Guncha Group, I, Sabrina, welcome you all to the press launch of 57th Guncha Nehru Senior Hockey Tournament, to be hosted for the very first time here in Hyderabad, our beautiful city of pearls. I would like to extend my welcome to our Honorable President, Vice Presidents, Secretary General, members of the Society, Chairpersons of Regional Committees, Honorable Chairperson and Managing Director, the Guncha Group, and Honorable Chairperson of the Organizing Committee, Srimati Aarti Bharwani ji, and Honorable Executive Director and Honorable Vice Chairman of the Organizing Committee, Shri Yash Bharwani ji. Our dearest friends from the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I would, from the bottom of my heart, like to thank you for commemorating this occasion with your presence. This tournament is being conducted and sponsored in the honor of Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society's founding father, our beloved Shri Inder Mohan Kapoor ji. Shri I.M. Kapoor is also the founding father of Guncha Group. Today, the 19th day of August, 2021, commemorates the legend's first death anniversary. We gather here today to launch the Guncha 57th Nehru Senior Hockey Tournament. On this note, let me take this day forward by inviting our dignitaries on the dais. Let us welcome Shri Subhash Kapoor ji, Honorable President, Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society and the Chairman of Steelbird High-Tech Limited on the dais. And I also request Srimati Archana J. Paranji ji to please welcome our guests and by presenting them with the bouquet. And now, I welcome our Ambassador, Dr. J.N. Mishra ji, Honorable Vice President, Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society, to please join us on stage. And now, I humbly request Lieutenant General Anil Malik ji, Honorable Vice President, Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society, to please join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome Dr. Vrishali Bhosle, Honorable Vice President, Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society, and also the President of SNBP Group of Institutions, Pune. Now, we would like to welcome Mr. Rohit Chauhan, Secretary of Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society, to please join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, now we would welcome Shri Kuku Walia ji, Honorable Secretary General, Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society. And now, last but of course not the least, I would welcome Shri Yash Bharwani ji, Honorable Vice Chairman, Organizing Committee, Executive Director of our title sponsor, the Guncha Group, to join us. Whatever a great person does, that alone other people also do. Whatever they set up as the standard, that the world follows. Ladies and gentlemen, I will take the liberty of holding our thoughts for a moment and throw some light on late Shri I.M. Kapoor, who was an ace industrialist and a selfless philanthropist. Words do not do justice to describe his being. All we can do is overwhelmingly appreciate the life full-fledgedly well lived. Starting his career as a ripe age of 21 in the mid-1950s, he moved to Madras from New Delhi, where he joined the fourth largest industrial house of that time. Moving forward, with his better half, Srimati Kusum Kapoor, he started National Transport and K Corporation in the early 1960s. These companies became one of the handful of private entities that transported coal from the collieries to the powerhouses. Sri I.M. Kapoor lived with a strong belief of giving back to the society in every way one can and strive to instill Rotary motto, which is service above self. Creating value in his own humble way, he founded the Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society in 1964 in New Delhi. Sri I.M. Kapoor also recognized the potential of poultry at the time and set up the Kapoor Poultry Farm here in Hyderabad. This went on to become the largest poultry farm in South India and one of the largest in India. Later, Sri I.M. Kapoor set foot in the real estate. The brands set up by him were Greenfields and Guncha. They became highly recognized, and their marvelous landscapes are associated with Sri I.M. Kapoor's appreciation of landscapes and architecture. Villa Guncha Hills was the last project of his magnificent career. His legacy of excellence lays the visionary of bedrock of Guncha. Apart from his industrial and philanthropic pursuit, Sri I.M. Kapoor was a voracious reader, an avid golfer, and an enthusiastic spectator of horse racing. The legacy of his excellence is widely appreciated and remembered. It will be forever. The rapport he developed with the word Guncha from the Persian language, which means blooming bud, made him envision an excelling corporate that would function with the values he was brought up with, lived with, and managed all the organizations he founded, which is honesty, loyalty, and integrity. Guncha will stand for the function with the same values its founding parents gifted it. The mission is not just to participate, but to contribute to every industry it is in and will be in the future, simultaneously giving back to the society to the best of its capabilities. In the fond memory of the late Sri Inder Mohan Kapoor ji, let us all stand and in solidarity for 1 minute in remembrance of his priceless being. And now, let's brace ourselves to go down the memory lane of an enchanted life, indeed.
These words by the American poet rightly resonate with the glorious life of Sri Inder Mohan Kapoor, a multifaceted personality who left behind a legacy of excellence, playing the roles of being the pillar to his family, an industrialist and a philanthropist. It is quite a challenge to sum him up in a word or a phrase, because he was an institution in himself and continues to be in the hearts and minds of many. Let us go down the memory lane of the enchanting life of Mr. I.M. Kapoor, a man par excellence and a visionary who fortified his golden principles and yet was ahead of his times. The childhood phase is instrumental in shaping the character and personality of any individual, and Mr. I.M. Kapoor was no exception. A particularly inquisitive child with a keen eye for detail, he displayed the qualities of perseverance and industrious spirit which led him to live selflessly, fearlessly, and with an iron will of practicing and preaching karma in all his deeds. Graduating with a Bachelor of Arts degree from Punjab University, he moved to Madras, beginning his career at the Karamchand Thapar and Bros Coal Sales Limited, part of the Thapar House. In a managerial position, he went on to lead the South India operations, gaining 25% of the overall business to himself. In 1956, he wedded Kumari Kusum Malhotra, and with her by his side, he branched out to establish National Transport and K Corporation in the early 1960s, which went on to become one of the few private entities in the business of transporting coal from the collieries to the powerhouses. Mr. I.M. Kapoor established himself as the youngest Rotarian of Madras, joining the Rotary Main Club at the blossoming age of 28, truly living by Rotary's motto, service above self. In the year 1964, he initiated the Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society in the fond memory of India's first Prime Minister. Based in New Delhi, this society has been the bedrock of aspiring and talented hockey players ever since, promoting the national game like no other way. He then went on to establish the Om Shakti Public School in the year 1965. Housed at the ancestral home he inherited from his father, Shri Atmaram Kapoor. This institution educated the underprivileged children of New Delhi on a not-for-profit basis. These two institutions have spoken volumes of his true spirited philanthropic pursuits. A true patriot at heart, he felt overwhelmingly for our defense personnel and donated a sum to the Government of India for the widows of the 1965 war. Not compromising on the quality of his professional produce and to maintain his time better, he then saw fit to depart from the Thapar House. However, intending to best use the skill he had developed over the years in the coal line, he simultaneously set up the Southern India Coal Company Private Limited. This venture specialized in consulting the small and medium-sized coal businesses to best suit industry standards. Mr. I.M. Kapoor, expanding his horizons across industries, recognized the lack of organized poultry in South India. Developing an increasing interest in animal husbandry, he founded the Kapoor Poultry Farm in Hyderabad, which went on to become the largest poultry farm in South India and one of the largest in the country. He then set up Kapoor Hatchery, which later came to be known as Kapoor Hatchery and Poultry Breeding Farms. This organization set new benchmarks in the industry and pioneered it to greater heights, garnering recognition from across the spectrum of Indian animal husbandry. He was known as an industry leader. This company went on to run for decades and is remembered for leaving its imposing mark behind. After the Union government nationalized coal, Mr. and Mrs. I.M. Kapoor, with their three daughters, Aarti, Renu, and Ritu Kapoor, moved to their home in Hyderabad, continuing to drive hatchery and poultry there. During the advanced stage of his career, he set foot in the real estate market of Hyderabad and launched brands like Guncha and Greenfields. They became synonymous with Mr. I.M. Kapoor's appreciation for landscape and architecture. The last project of his magnificent career was Villa Guncha Hills. Many of the organizations he founded went on to successfully run for decades, and some still continue to blossom. Apart from his industrial and philanthropic pursuits, he also was a voracious reader, an avid golfer, and an enthusiastic spectator of horse racing. Mr. I.M. Kapoor developed a strong rapport with the Persian word Guncha, which means a blooming flower bud. This made him envision an excelling corporate that would function with the values he was brought up with, lived with, and managed all the organizations he founded with: honesty, loyalty, and integrity. As he departed to the heavens in 2020, let us take a moment to remember this legend who continues to inspire generations with his journey of driving industries, sheer hard work, honesty, kindness, and the celebration of the human spirit. To his family and close associates, He is remembered as an exemplary son, husband, father, grandfather, and friend. Yash Bharwani, his third and youngest grandson, was chosen by him to be his torchbearer, to take the legacy of Guncha forward. Indeed, Mr. Inder Mohan Kapoor came, saw, and conquered in every role of life and touched many, many hearts.
That was an absolute heart-touching video. And now, moving forward, I would like to request the Honorable Secretary General of Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society, Shri Kuku Walia ji, to please address this august gathering, please.
Mrs. Aarti Bharwani ji, Shri Yash Bharwani ji, Shri Subhash Kapoor ji, and the other dignitaries sitting on the dais, and my dear friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. It's my proud privilege to welcome all the media persons on the historic occasion of launching of the PC of the Guncha 57th Nehru Senior Hockey Tournament. This is the first time the Nehru Senior Hockey Tournament is being conducted at Sikandrabad from 14th to 25th November. I'm humble, honored that this year during the Olympic, our men and women team has performed exceedingly well. The men team has reached the podium after 41 years of drought and got the bronze medal. And our girls team has come into the semi-final after a long years of wait. So it's a great time for hockey to come back to its glory of the past, where we have 8 gold medals for the men in the Olympic. Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society has been promoted the different age groups of hockey tournament, under 15 for boys, under 17 for boys and girls, inter-university hockey tournament, and the senior most tournament, which is the most sought after tournament of the country. Nehru tournament was established in 1964, and it has been continued till, and this year we are going to have the 57th edition of the Nehru Hockey Tournament. We, as I told you, that we conduct 5 profile tournaments, which is where the selected teams from all over the country participate. We don't invite any team, but pre-Nehru Hockey Tournament is being played in different states, and the champion team of that state come to the Nehru Hockey. That means the Nehru Hockey is flourishing the hockey at the grassroots level, not only the main tournament, but all over the country, in each district of the state, the Nehru Hockey is being played, and the champion teams come to the Nehru Hockey. This year, we are going to have 3 tournaments in Delhi, 1 in Pune, and the most sought-after tournament with the help of Mr. Yash Bharwani and Aarti Bharwani, the CMD of the Guncha Group, and the ED of the Guncha Group. We are able to come to the Hyderabad to conduct the Guncha 57th National Hockey Tournament. It was the vision of our founding father and industrialist, Shri Inder Mohan Kapoor ji, to produce the world-class hockey players so that the India can dominate in the global hockey. And I'm very happy that this year we have done it. We have fulfilled late Shri I.M. Kapoor ji vision that hockey should come back, and it has come back very dramatically at Tokyo Olympic. Great people leave rich legacy behind them. The founding father family, particularly Shri Yash Bharwani, a very charming, young, dashing executive director of the Guncha Group. We met once and discussed how to carry on this legacy of Shri I.M. Kapoor to Hyderabad. And that is how it started. And here I am in front of you to give you a few announcements about the tournament. Today, on behalf of the Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society, it is my proud privilege and honor to present the 57th Nehru Guncha Hockey Tournament, which is going to be held at South Central Railway Sports Complex at Sikandrabad from 14th to 25th November 2021. This year, we have Guncha State Private Limited, who has come out to title sponsor the tournament, and Guncha State Private Limited is a group, part of the group of Guncha Group. We are thankful to Aarti Bharwani ji, CMD Guncha Group, and Shri Yash Bharwani for coming and taking this Nehru Hockey Tournament to great heights. Thank you, Mr. Yash. Thank you, Aarti ji. Thank you so much for your kind blessing and support. This is the photograph which you are seeing, was on 6th March 2021 when Yash and I had a MOU of understanding. We signed an agreement to continue this tournament for another 5 years in the beginning, and if we will review it after 5 years and we will see how can we carry on this tournament for another 5 to 10 years. For this, I owe a great indebtedness to Mr. Yash Bharwani, a dashing young man who has wanted the hockey should go to the top glory, and he came out with this title sponsorship. Thank you, Mr. Yash. Thanks a lot. This year, we are going to have the top 16 team of the country which are going to participate. I got all the confirmation of these teams, and these teams are Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, Army 11, Indian Railways, South Central Railway, Air India, Punjab National Bank, Punjab Sindh Bank, Canara Bank, CAG 11, Computer Audit Journal of India, ONGC, Indian Oil, Telangana 11, Tamil Nadu, Mumbai 11, MP Hockey Academy, and Bhopal. These are the best team of the country which are going to participate in this year edition. And I promise to Yash, next year we are going to have 2 or 3 foreign teams in this tournament, and which will make it a memorable Nehru Hockey Guncha in collaboration with Guncha, a wonderful international tournament. Thank you, Mr. Yash. We will do it, definitely. Now we come to the prize money. The total prize money is about rupees 10 lakhs. The first prize is 4 lakhs rupees. The team which win the Guncha trophy, Mr. I.M. Kapoor trophy, will be of 4 lakhs. Then the runner-up will get a prize of rupees 2 lakhs. And we have a selection committee consisting of Olympians and international players who will select the best player of the tournament, which will get a motorbike, Benali motorbike, costing about 2.5 lakhs. founder father of our society and a big industrialist, Shri I.M. Kapoorji, Inder Mohan Kapoorji, has not only founded the society, but also funded the society in a big way. We owe a great indebted to Kapoor family for, in the initial stages of the society, the late Mr. I.M. Kapoor has helped us, and now, at this year, his grandson came with a bigger vision and supported the Nehru Hockey. Thank you, Mr. Kapoor and your family. We are grateful to you. Not only Shri I.M. Kapoor has funded this society, but also donated 2 beautiful trophies, made of pure silver, in the year 1964. 56 years these trophies are running, and the teams which win and become runner-up take this trophy. Mr. Yash Bharwani got a new idea that 56 years has passed, it needs to be recrafted, renew it, and you will see the unveiling of the new trophies a few minutes from now. And I'm thankful to Yash for bringing us the new 2 trophy, pure silver, golden Shri I.M. Kapoor Nehru Senior Cup trophy for the winner, and Shri Inder Mohan Kapoor trophy for the runner-up. Thank you for donating and recrafting, Mr. Yash, for these trophies. There is another good news. I don't think anybody on the tournament all over India has done this before. Shri Yash Bharwani, the executive director of the Guncha Group, has initiated a Lifetime Achievement Award in memory of his grandson, great father, Shri I.M. Kapoor, Lifetime Achievement Award, in which a glorious trophy as well as a purse of rupees 5 lakhs will be given as a Lifetime Achievement Award to a hockey personality who excels throughout all these years in any department of national game of hockey, like as a player, as a coach, as an umpire, or as an administrator. So this prize, Shri I.M. Kapoor Lifetime Achievement Award, will be given on 25th November by the chief guest. Hopefully, we have already requested the Vice President of India to come and preside over the function. I'm waiting for his confirmation. The moment it comes, we will share this news with you. And this trophy will be given by the chief guest on that day, that is on 25th November. Thank you once again, Mr. Yash, for your kind gesture in instituting a trophy which will motivate the younger generation to do selfless service to the game of hockey so that one day they can achieve this trophy. Thank you. On behalf of the Nehru Hockey Society, we present the 57th Guncha Nehru Senior Hockey Tournament, which is going to be played at South Central Railway Complex, which has a beautiful artificial turf. We are thank you to Mr. Mohammad Naeem, who is the sports officer of the South Central Railway, who has given us this beautiful turf and stadium to us for conducting this tournament. This will be conducted from 14th November to 25th November 2021. So once again, I thank you, Mr. Kapoor families, particularly Aarti Bharwani ji, CMD, Guncha Group, Shri Yash Bharwani ji and his family for coming and having collaboration with us with the Nehru Hockey. And I am also thankful to all the media who has taken their time out and be part of today's ceremony. I am thankful to our PR department led by our Srivastav, Kiran, Divya and Tulsi ji. Thank you very much. for this occasion. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Mr. Valia, for your kind words. And as he was mentioning about the tournament, so let us have a look at the tournament journey through an audiovisual.
This is the story of a game and its aficionado who made a mark in the history of that game. A tournament which had just been created in the early years of the nation's independence, in the fond memory of its first Prime Minister. Yes, we are talking about hockey, our national game, and Shri Inder Mohan Kapoor, the aficionado, who envisioned the Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society, along with other founding members, 57 years ago. At the time, India was still a young republic. A patriot at heart, he went all out to contribute to the national game, also donating the Nehru Cups to the society. This event provided a platform for hockey to forge ahead in India. The current form was introduced by the British in the 19th century. The Indian hockey team in the British era participated in the Olympics. In the days to come, hockey became a sport in the first Asian Games hosted in India in 1951. The Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society rose to prominence, attracting the most respected teams from across the nation, which vied to win the coveted Nehru Gold Cup. The national game then became an integral part of the country's sports map, enlightening the spirit of hockey in India. After establishing the Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society in 1964, no stone was left unturned to make it a superior league, gaining appreciation from various quarters. In the years to come, the tournament was graced by the presidents, vice presidents, prime ministers, and union cabinet ministers of India. The Nehru Cup matches have ever since keenly been looked forward to. It is an honor for any team to covet the Nehru Senior Cup. Mr. Manpreet Singh, the captain of the victorious Indian hockey team, which won the bronze medal at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, has played many editions of the Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament at both junior and senior levels. With every passing year, the Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society garnered more attention and attracted new participation. The all-time greats such as Dhanraj Pillai, Bhargat Singh, Zafar Iqbal, and Ajit Pal Singh have played in the tournament incorporated by our founding father, Mr. I.M. Kapoor. Today, we as a nation are capable of participating in national and international level tournaments. Our competence has taken our teams to the Olympics as well, winning medals all the way, including the recent bronze victory at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. The entire success saga of the Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society is attributed to the vision of Mr. I.M. Kapoor, along with other founding members. This marked his first philanthropic endeavor. Today, Mr. I.M. Kapoor's legacy and its baton have been passed on to the new generation represented by Mr. Yash Bharwani, who is a praiseworthy torchbearer to his grandfather. With a futuristic vision and a transformed shape and form, the true spirit of the Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society continues to fuel the national sport. For the first time in the history of this tournament, its 57th and 58th editions have moved out of New Delhi to Hyderabad. It is being sponsored by the Guncha Group. The senior Nehru Gold and Silver Cups will now be known as Inder Mohan Kapoor Nehru Senior Winners and Runners-Up Cups respectively, in honor of the Society's founding father. These prestigious trophies have been recrafted by melting the same metal from the previous ones which were in circulation for 56 years. In the upcoming games of the Guncha 57th Nehru Senior Hockey Tournament, come November 2021, the top brass of the hockey teams will participate to showcase a spectacular battle of the stallions on the hockey turf.
The Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society, which has been conducting the country's most premier hockey tournament since its inception, 1964. For the first time in 56 years, now moves its senior and most prestigious tournament from Delhi to Hyderabad. Founding the society marked Sri Im Kapoor's first philanthropic pursuit. And now, after 56 years, his grandson, Sri Yash Bharwani, Honorable Vice Chairman, Organizing Committee, Executive Director, Guncha Group, has taken the responsibility of taking this legacy forward by joining hands to further glorify Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society. This tournament is being conducted and sponsored in the honor of Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society's founding father, Sri Im Kapoor. The 19th day of August 2021 marks his first death anniversary. To commemorate this, the Nehru Senior Gold and Silver Cups, which were donated by Sri Im Kapoor and have been circulation for 56 years, have now been melted and recrafted in the exact same design to be hereon known as Inder Mohan Kapoor Nehru Senior Winners and Runner-Up Cups, respectively. I'm sure everyone sitting here are eager to have a closer look at the cups, but before which, now we'll launch the iconic coffee table book of the Guncha 57th Nehru Senior Hockey Tournament, designed by the workshop. I would like to request our Honorable Chairperson of the Editorial Committee, Srimati Shrilu Bhopalji, to please step forward and do the honors. Book of the Guncha 57 Nehru Senior Hockey Tournament is here. Ma'am, to do the honors. And now the moment has arrived where we are going to have a closer look at the new recrafted cups of the Guncha 57th Nehru Senior Hockey Tournament. And to do the honors, I would like to call upon our dignitaries, Sri Subhash Kapoorji, Honorable President, Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society and the Chairman of Steelbird High-Tech Limited. Sir, can we please join along with Sri Yash Bharwani ji, Honorable Vice Chairman, Organizing Committee and Executive Director of our title sponsor, the Guncha Group. Can the gentlemen please rise up to do the honors so that we all have a closer look at those excellent recrafted cups. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has arrived. The unveiling of the new recrafted cups for the Guncha 57 Nehru Senior Hockey Tournament. these moments and these occasions does need to be captured. So we'll wait for a few more moments, until which we can have a wonderful look and a stare at the newly crafted cups. Thank you so much to all the dignitaries to do the honors. We treasure the presence of our special guests, the entire Guncha family, the Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society, and all our friends from the media. Having said that, there is one person who would like to thank you in person, who is Shri Kuku Walia ji, our Honorable Secretary General, Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society. So, Mr. Walia, I request you to please, I invite you to please give the vote of thanks.
My dear friends, you have seen the unveiling of the glorious, dazzling trophy of the Guncha 57th Nehru Hockey Tournament. I promise you, you are going to witness the most beautiful game of hockey. The standard of hockey will be very high, and Hyderabad will be proud to have this Guncha 57th Nehru Hockey Tournament. I'm really thankful once again to Mrs. Aarti Bhavarani ji, Shri Yash Bharwani ji, and all my media friends, the PR team, the designing team who has made this event a great success. Thank you very much for coming all the way and be a part of this historic occasion. Thank you.
I would once again like to thank our dearest friends from the media, the Jawaharlal Nehru Hockey Tournament Society, and our title sponsors, Guncha Estates Private Limited, which is a part of Guncha Group, and all the distinguished guests who have commemorated this day of remembrance. I invite you all, distinguished guests, to please join us for lunch. Thank you very much. I'm Sabrina signing off. Shubh Din, Namaskar.